I am going to show you how I use Google Trends for my YouTube videos. Open your browser and search for Google Trends. Open the tool website. First, when you open the page on the top right side, you will see the option to select the country you want. I will select United States, for example. In the search box, type the keyword of the topic you want. For example, Valorant. You will see this graph, which shows you the search rate during the area of time you selected. The graph is degreed from 0 to 100. These are not the count of searches. These are the search percentage shown as these numbers. Which means the higher the number, the higher the searches on this word. So make sure the number is above 50 so there is a lot of searches on the topic. You can also select a certain category and a certain time zone. We will show that later on the video. If you scroll down, you will see the most interest states of the country you picked. Below it you will see related queries. This area shows you the most searched keywords with your keyword, in this case Valorant. You can see this word breakout, which means that there is a huge increase in number of searches. If I click on the arrow, you will see other words from higher to lower in search rate. Your topic must be with high numbers like these. And in related topics you will see another different keywords which may have been included with your keyword in another videos. So from here you will get a lot of ideas for your videos. I will go up and compare Valorant with another keyword. I will pick League of Legends, for example, and search. Now I will pick the time and the type of content and the search platform. As you can see here that Valorant keyword is being searched more than League. So if you were choosing between Valorant and League, according to these numbers, you should make videos on Valorant, not League, in order to get more views. And you can see the other statistics we saw before if you scroll down. Now if you go back to the home page and scroll down, you will see the most searched keywords in the current time. We will come back to that. Below you will see year in search. If I clicked on 2021, for example, you will see the most trending topics in the past year in different categories. You can use that in expecting what people are going to search for in a specific time zone, like holidays and festivals that happens every year. So that if a topic is being rapidly searched for in the some month every year, you will have to make a video on this topic for your current year. So that when the searches increase and that topic you made maybe go viral with these trending topics if you made the video early. If you go to the option tab and selected trending searches, it will show you the most searched topics today. And you can see many days before too. So that you can make trending topics every day and get a lot of views. So guys, that was today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.